So guys, I just crossed the monetization requirement on my second YouTube channel. So today I am officially going to be applying for the YouTube partner program. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through every single step of the process. That is from checking if you are eligible to finally applying and how many days it will take you for YouTube to finally accept you. That is, you just have to try your best to make sure you pay attention so that the minute you get monetized, you know what to do and what not to do and how to do it, okay? And trust me, you do not want to make any mistake here, because one single mistake can slow your monetization or can even get it terminated. So without much being said, let's get started. So first of all, we all know that the basic requirements for you to be fully monetized on YouTube is you have to meet your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 public watch hours. And also, you can still monetize your channel once you're able to gather 10 million short views within the space of 90 days. Yeah, which is equivalent to 3 months. So either any of them, they can actually get your channel monetized, okay? So once you've been able to hit this milestone, now the next thing you need to go ahead and check is to go over to your YouTube studio, that is the end section, to check if you're going to be seeing the apply now. Yeah, but if you go ahead and check and you are not seeing it, that is after these lines must have read that okay, your channel has been able to meet the 4,000 ticks and the 1,000 subscribers ticked, or the 10 million short views ticked. If that is your case but you are still not seeing the apply now, it simply means that you need to go ahead and do something, because that was what happened to me. I was already on over 4,000 public watch hours, like a day ahead sef, but I was not still able to apply because I didn't see the apply now. Now what did I have to do? I quickly went ahead to make my research. That was when I realized that my channel does not have two-step verification turned on. Then I decided to go ahead to my YouTube studio and I turned that particular setting on. So the minute I turned it on, I went back to my YouTube studio and I saw that apply now. So right now, the minute you hit your 4,000 public watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, try to pay attention to this particular thing, that's two-step verification. And also, before you even go ahead to apply, please make sure you check out for active community strike or maybe copyright, so that you can try to get rid of it before you finally apply. Yeah, so now once you see that apply now, what you simply need to do is to go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, you're going to see this three thing pop on the screen, which is review based terms. The second one is sign up for AdSense for YouTube, and the third one is get reviewed. Now I'm not really going to be taking you through on the process of signing up for AdSense for YouTube, but if you want, I can be doing a video on that later on, but I'll be giving you the reasons why I will not really be making a video about it. Okay, just try to make sure to stick around. Now what you just need to do is this first option, which is review based term. YouTube just wants you to at least be aware that this is what you are signing up for, so that tomorrow you will not come and tell them that I didn't know, I didn't. So you just have to calm down, take your time and read through it. Yeah, because for you to apply, you really need to sign up this thing. So what you just need to do is just go ahead and click on yes, I accept. Now after clicking on that yes, I accept, this first part is going to automatically tick. So the next thing now is for you to go ahead and click on the second one, which is for you to set up for AdSense for YouTube. Now once you click on this second one that says sign up for AdSense for YouTube, if you read below, it says create a new AdSense for YouTube account or connect an existing account to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. So if you're planning on applying for the YouTube partnership program, you have to get your AdSense account ready, or you create it as you are applying. In fact, most of the time it's even advisable to create as you are applying. Okay, so now once you click on start, it's going to bring you over here where you see this, do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube? You see these three options. The first option says, yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. The second one says, no, I need to create one. And the last one says, I don't know. Definitely, there is no how or there is no reason why you should click on the last one. Now, you have these two options left. Either you take the first one or you take the second one. Taking the first one simply means that maybe you have AdSense account already, because it was this first one that I ticked. Why is because this my main channel you all are watching me from is monetized, and it's not even always advisable to create different AdSense accounts for all the YouTube channels you have. Don't worry, in my next video I'll be making a video on that, because this particular thing is recently causing some strike and demonetization based on all this recent new YouTube policy. I wanted to like create a new one, but I was stopped halfway, and after making my research, I had no choice but to just click on this, yes, I have an existing AdSense account. So for you now that is just applying for the first time, what you just need to do is to click on this, no, I need to create new one. Now once you click on this, no, I need to create new one, it's going to bring you to a different interface. Now mind you, any information that you'll be filling on that interface, you have to be very sure, you have to be very accurate. Any name you are using, make sure that it is that name that is on your bank information. Make sure that it is that name that is on your identity. That is what you need to verify yourself for YouTube to finally accept you. Okay, and do not be scared, it's actually very easy. The day itself that I even did mine, I was just following the step-by-step process. It's very easy and straightforward. The thing is, you just have to make sure every information you give out there, you give it accurately. The postal code that you'll be using is the postal code where YouTube is going to be sending email. But I don't even think that one is still existing, because nowadays you can verify your AdSense online. Yeah, so I really wish I was able to go through all this process so that I can share it with you guys. But nevertheless, in this video I will still be giving more hints on it. Okay, so I'm just showing you basically how I applied. Now what I did here was to click on this first one that says, yes, I have an existing AdSense account. So the next thing it did was to link me direct for me to go ahead and link my main AdSense to that my lifestyle channel together. So after that, it's going to bring you to this interface. What you just simply need to do is to go below. You will see the option that says continue or I accept, it depends. So once you just click on it, that is the end. Like, that is all what you literally need to do here, and you have successfully linked your AdSense to another account. Okay, but that is not where the whole work stop. Oh, we still have a lot more to go. So once I was done with that, this step 2 was automatically ticked green. That is done. Now after this, for this step 3 is for YouTube to review your channel. Now YouTube is going to take its time, because if you read through very well, that step 3 is get reviewed. That is, YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policy, and we're going to be okay, and we'll send you a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you've completed the first 2 steps. Obviously the first 2 steps has been completed, so this one is going to take like a day or two. Now unlike my main channel, like when I was doing it for my main channel, it didn't even take up to 8 hours, but for this my lifestyle channel it took a day, a full day, because I did this application, I think from Sunday morning till Monday evening. That was when I finally got the email that I have been fully accepted to the YouTube partnership program. It was such a relief, because I was already scared, because before now I think I had one particular strike, not really strike, but I got a warning from YouTube because of one of my contents back then that I displayed some sensitive information that I was not supposed to display, which is even phone number. Yes. So that's why I say we have to be really, really careful on this YouTube space. So we have to be very, very careful. So after getting that email and officially getting this information from my YouTube studio that I am now a YouTube partner, so what you just need to do is you have to go over to your YouTube studio desktop version where you will see this let us go. So what you'll be requested to do is to turn on ads on your long form videos, on your short, set up your membership and the rest, because if you don't do it, YouTube will not do anything for you. So you literally have to do all the work. If not, you just monetize, and after in fact in 2 weeks nothing is nothing will be going on. Yeah, so what you just need to do is to once you click on that let's go, it's going to automatically bring you to this interface where you see watch page ads, short feed ads, membership and supers. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on, for the watch page ads, click on get started. Now once you click on that get started, it's going to bring out this thing that says earn from ads and YouTube premium on the watch page. Now if you look closely, it says you can earn from ads on or around your videos and from YouTube Premium. So what you just need to do is to turn this thing on. No much grammar. Now once you turn it on, it's going to lead you over to your videos, and you will see that every existing video on your channel will just be turned on, but the ones that maybe have issue, YouTube might put that yellow end sign, because I think I had it when from my main, that is from this channel. Yeah, and that was when I applied for the partnership program of this my main channel. Yeah, so after you're done with the long form videos, because one thing is the ads placed on your long form video is known as watch page ads. That is what is going to give you the real money on YouTube. But the ad placed on your short form videos is known as short feed ads. That is why if you look closely, it's well indicated. Now once you're done with that, what you just need to do is to click on the short feed ads. Same thing, go ahead and turn it on. But I discovered something. Unlike when I did my setup for this my main channel, when I click on that turn on the ads for short form video, all my previous shorts YouTube monetized all. Well, I was so surprised that this time around I just got that information. I forgot to take screenshots to show you guys that all my existing shorts cannot be monetized, and I don't use any sound. In fact, it's just like the way I am talking to you guys. So I was really, really surprised, though I will make much more research on it and I'll be coming back to you guys. Okay, and now once you're done with setting up the watch page ads and the short feed ad, then just head over to the supers and click on the get started. Once you click on the get started, you're going to see this whole information that YouTube will try to like let you know. Then just go through it, then just go through it and tick that option that says I have finally accepted it and I will do as you all have said. So once you click on it, it's going to automatically bring you to this interface where you see super chats, super stickers and super thanks. What you just need to do is to toggle them on, the three of them, turn them on, and after doing that, your channel is set and ready to go. So now for this other one that says membership, go and make your research on how to set up membership. Okay, because if I'm to include that in this video is not going to end today, it's going to be long. So these are basically what you just need for you to monetize your YouTube channel. This whole thing just took me 2 days. Yeah, don't say oh maybe it's because of I didn't sign up for my AdSense. Even when I signed up for AdSense last year December, that is that particular part that I skip and made use of my main channel existing AdSense. At least highest you're to spend maximum of 2 days on doing all these things. In fact, if your channel is free of strike or maybe anything under 8 to 9 hours, you'll be fully accepted. So now unlike me, now this channel is officially monetized. I can start earning and the money will be going directly to my AdSense account. But if you are applying for a new AdSense, just like as I stated earlier on, you will have to meet $10 threshold. Then after the $10 threshold, guys, I think I should be making a separate video on that. And if you be interested, kindly do well to drop it in the comment section. But trust me when I say every other process is not hard. It's not hard, okay? You can do it. And if you say, okay, princess, I'm confused, just search on this YouTube here how to apply for YouTube partnership program, and you will see it. It's very, very self-explanatory. What you just need to do is to make sure you pay attention so that you will not mix it up, so that where you're supposed to put your name, you're not gonna put something else. Because once you hit that $10 threshold, YouTube is going to ask you to verify your identity. So what you just need to do is to either submit your passport, submit your NIN, or you submit your what else again, your driver license. But what I used back then was my NIN, and YouTube is accepting NIN today and tomorrow. What you just need to do is to snap the front and the back, then verify it online. That is all. Then after that, you can now set up your tax and create a domiciliary account and link it. It's very, very easy. You can do it, okay? You don't need to panic. Hey, no, 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 no. You don't have to, okay? So if you have any question at all, do well to drop it in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching as usual, and always I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.